Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a thumbnail / edit and how to edit. So, click on reload and click on open image from computer on Pixar because that's the editor I use. Click on the screenshot. I'll tell you how to make the screenshot now. Put two people, green screen, this command, shift command 4, and then you see that, this. Yeah, that. So, go back to the online photo editor, click on the wand tool, and start erasing. Wait, what background should we use? I don't care right now, okay. And then you click there, as you see. And then click on the eraser tool, click here on the left 2 times. And I recommend putting it on 100 so you could erase it much faster. And this is my first time, actually, okay. I recommend it so you can do it much faster because, it's big and it's faster. And when you're done, click on wand tool again and click on the mini spaces, like this one. I won't do the mini, real small spaces, because, yeah, I'm just gonna, wait a sec. I'll make this bigger, I don't care. I'm gonna keep this, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it bigger. And, as you erase it, click on the wand tool again, and erase the spots here, and there. And I'm going to be showing you the entire one. And I can only make this for 15 minutes, which is the fastest thing ever. Sorry, I'm eating. My dad's watching the game. A game, I guess. And there. When you're done, click on File. Or you can click on, as you can see, Control S. And then it'll say Save Image. And I would recommend naming it because if you like doing a lot of edits, and you may not even find it, so I'm going to do Edit. And then it's going to ask you here. And if you do edit 2 times, it's going to ask you to replace. And I don't really recommend doing that, but I do it all the time. So now you refresh the page. But you're going to go find a background. So I recommend using Google because it's the best. And sorry, my typing is so loud. And, oh my god, Simply Nailogical is gonna be so happy. I watch her. Guys, I am Brazilian, but I can't really read Brazilian. I'm actually English. I like this one. Now we're gonna go and screenshot it. Then you go back to Pixar. Okay. Open image from computer, and then you click on your background. Yeah, here it is. And then you click on File. Wait, no, you click on Layer. Open Images Layer. Click on the thing you edited. Shoot, we're gonna have to get a bigger one. Or maybe you could just move it like this. No. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a bigger one. The background has to be real bigger. Yeah, like this one. I use it anyway. Because it's big, and it's cool. So we're gonna use it. Reload the. You know, it's supposed to be big. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Go layer, open images layer. Wait a second. I love doing this. Where is that? Filter. And then you can blur it. Because I do this on my original computer, well, laptop. And it's really fun to do this. Click on layer, open images layer, click on your edit. And to move that thing, I hate how that's weird spots, but okay, this is just an edit. You can move it. So if you want it here, which I'm gonna put it here, and this is my first thumbnail, so where is my YouTube name? Can I change it? Studio. Let's just put YouTube. Now I'm gonna click here. Creator Studio. Yeah. New channel. This is my channel. I do not like this name. Saw my sister. Deleted video manager. Oh yeah, it was video manager. Yeah. Same. Oh, I'm gonna say shadows weakness. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say no. Okay. First video, and I'm gonna make it a bigger size, like 80. Just kidding. 40 would be okay, I think. Yeah. Now we're gonna get one. That one. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a lot bigger. I'm gonna make it 50. $48. Yeah, that's fine. Now I'm gonna get the color. No, it's not. Oh my god, yes. It's darker so they can see it better. Okay. And okay. Now I'm gonna click on File, Save, and Thumbnail. And yeah, now you're done making your edit. Bye! 8 minutes.